Being prepared is being responsible. If you get surprised by a natural disaster or a family emergency, it's smart to have a grab bag, pre-stocked with about a dozen essential items, that you don't have to think twice about. If something bad happens, the safest thing is to assume that no one is going to come and save you. You're responsible for you and yours. Having a go bag for each member of your family is a vital piece of assurance. That way, if something does go sideways, you'll have what you need to give you and your loved ones the best chance of success. In this video, we'll explore the essential components and considerations to help you build a better bug-out bag that aligns with your specific needs and circumstances. Selecting the right bag. Choose a backpack that has at least 20 liters of volume. A larger pack might be necessary depending on conditions. Look for external pockets and a comfortable waist belt in case you need to cover some distance on foot. A pack with a slim silhouette, like the Black Diamond Nitro 26, also helps when moving fast. Ensure it's comfortable to wear for extended periods, as you might need to travel long distances on foot. Water filtration. Whether you're in the wilderness or in a natural disaster situation, water is critical for survival. Don't skimp on filtration. Hobel cautions. Also, make sure you have a means of carrying treated water with you, like a LifeStraw Peak Series filter with reservoir. Nutrition and energy. Pack non-perishable energy-dense food items to sustain you during emergencies. Consider options like energy bars, dehydrated meals, and nuts. Ensure the food in your bug-out bag is lightweight, compact, and provides a good balance of nutrients. Remember to include a compact stove, utensils, and a mess kit for cooking and eating. First aid. You can't build the best bug-out bag without adequate first aid equipment. Survival situations are extremely unpredictable. You never know when you're going to become injured. Even small cuts can become infected and lead to death if you don't take care of them properly. Make sure that your first aid kit contains the basics, things like Band-Aids, alcohol swabs, hydrogen peroxide, gauze tape, scissors, antibiotic ointment, blanket, etc. Shelter and clothing. In adverse conditions, having proper shelter and clothing can be a lifesaver. Include a lightweight and compact tent or a high-quality emergency shelter. A sleeping bag suitable for the climate in your region is essential. Pack extra clothing, focusing on moisture-wicking and weather-appropriate layers. Don't forget items like a hat, gloves, and a durable pair of boots suitable for walking long distances. Multitool. Pack a multi-tool with a serrated blade, which works better on nylon, paracord, tarps, and other materials found in urban environments. Serrated blades are designed for man-made materials, whereas a straight-edge blade is better for the woods or a forest environment. Communication. Maintaining communication during an emergency is vital. Include a battery-powered or hand-crank emergency radio to stay informed about the latest developments. Pack a whistle, signal mirror, and a fully charged mobile phone with a portable charger. Consider a two-way radio for communication within your group. Security and self-defense. While personal safety should be a priority, it's essential to approach this aspect responsibly and legally. Include a compact self-defense tool, such as pepper spray, and make sure you are trained in its proper use. If you choose to include a firearm, ensure compliance with local laws, and prioritize safety by practicing responsible gun ownership. Building a better bug-out bag is a continuous process of assessment, adjustment, and preparation. Regularly review and update the contents of your bag to accommodate changes in your circumstances and account for advancements in gear technology. A well-equipped bug-out bag tailored to your specific needs and the challenges of your environment can be a critical asset in times of crisis, providing you with the tools and resources needed to navigate and survive the unexpected. That's all for today. Hope you find the video informative. Don't miss out on future updates. Comment, share your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay one step ahead in your journey to a well-equipped and resilient lifestyle.